We are at the fag end of this session, a very inspiring session, exciting and inspiring also. A session in which we see and look for students from various age groups participating in the group discussions. And I was really taken aback by the quality of their performances. And I found that if you give hard work, if you are really true to your cause, you can go to a very good height. I find that young kids tried their best to converse in English and they came out quite competent. And as the ages grow and we come to the end, the C group, they were really good, where their performance was really fantastic. One thing is certain, that English as a conversational medium is very much important. Important in the sense that in this age, when we say that the world has become a global village, when communication is much more important, conversation has been much more important rather. Our students, mainly from Bengal, they are now going everywhere of the world, everywhere, from Europe to USA to Australia to any of the European, at least European countries, and they are performing, they are excelling in one field at least, that is information technology. And more the students of this area go to this, go outside as well as other. They need to learn English, mainly conversational English. There is a misconception about us that we, those who are from Bengali medium schools or in colleges, they lag rather in conversation in English, and that's why they lag behind in competitive fields. This is, I should say, it's a false notion, because there are so many millions rather, students who hail from Bengali medium, still they have excelled in their fields, different fields. That's why there is no need to be, what should I say, inferior. There shouldn't have any inferior complex in this region. Rather, if all the students they are very serious, they can easily go to the top, I believe. Chandra Commercial and Art Institute is an institute which has been performing stupendously. I should say it's really a pioneer institute at Bangalore, and I have been learning about it for years together. He studied, I suppose, with that from the training, the students in typewriting and what should I say, shorthand typing, etc. But later on, at the passage of time, they have progressed in different fields, and obviously spoken English is one of them. And I'm quite astonished by that the students, they are really come out good, and they are even improving, and they will be improving in their later life. They are just in the training session, they are just budding, and if the grooming goes like this, I hope, I have a strong belief that commercial and art institute will come out standard. One thing I should mention in this regard, because this is a program where I have to say something, and I don't take much more of your time, precious time, and I just one or two points. That is, English is language. It's a lingua franca, we should say. We are saying that it's a lingua franca in the sense that most of us, even in India, are, when we go out, we have to speak in English. Not that everywhere in the world English is very much popular, not that. It's not mother tongue everywhere, but the areas where the Bengalis they generally go, actually they have to speak English. And that is why it is very much required for all the students that they learn this language, mainly in conversational side. They should convert this in English and they should impress upon those who take interviews. And that is why Chandra Commercial at our institute is a pioneer, and that is why Chandra Commercial and Art Institute is tirelessly trying to groom the students to that height so that they can equally match with those who are from English medium schools. I congratulate Chandra Commercial and Art Institute for inviting me here to speak a few words. I don't want to steal much more time from you because you are much more anxious to know about the results of these group discussions. I once again thank all of you who are present in the audience as well as the organizers of Chandra Memorial. Thank you very much.